What?
Ja, Kees, was voor een dedim ben? Ne dedim?
Desteğe kırık. Ama ne bana çıkamıyor. Oldu elde olsun.
Hey, move! Hey there! What the hell?
Hello, Arthur.
All right.
Get that horse out of here!
Okay, take it easy. Ah! Yep. Hello, Arthur. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
Mr. Morgan.
We keep heading east, is that the plan?
For now.
And when do we stop? When we reach Paris?
So, we moving?
Yeah. We stop when we find someplace sensible, shake them that's following us, and lie low.
This is lying low? We turned into a bunch of killers, I mean it. We ain't even got the delusion of being anything but a bunch of killers.
We are just trying to survive, Hosea. We don't have a choice. This'll end soon.
Damn right it will.
Constipated as usual. Micah told me of a place we can lie low. Look here. Dewberry Creek, he said.
Okay.
Maybe you and Charles can go take a look, clear off anyone you find before the whole lot of us move in looking so conspicuous.
And how we gonna do that?
I don't know. Start dancing?
Looks like I turned into the goddamn errand boy.
You have turned into my son. You worry because I worry. We are just the same.
Charles, come with me. We got work to do.
Now, where have I heard that before? Oh. Are we going then? So where are we going?
Find a new spot to camp. We're packing up and moving on.
Hey, wait up!
Back to what you were saying. We have to, and fast. We'd already pushed our luck too far before that mess we just made
Come
in
on,
Valentine.
we gotta stick together. That didn't sound good.
Killed a lot of logs. Killed a lot of Cornwall's men. They must know where we are by now.
So, we're heading south?
Yeah. Area called Dewberry Creek. Dutch wants us to give it a look. Make sure it's clear and a good place to lie low for a while.
I've only known him a few months, but the way he talks, I never thought I'd see him wanting to head south.
Right. And I know by now, there ain't no lying low.
There's too many of us for that.
And there ain't no way Dutch is gonna just hide away in a cave somewhere. Goes against everything he stands for. That'd be admitting we're nothing more than low-down criminals.
Which we are.
Hang on a second. I think that must be it up ahead, the old dried-up creek.
Seems very open.
Yeah, it does. Ain't sure to be the best in the rain, neither. Well, let's take a look around.
Hey, I see something over there. You see it? Someone on the ground there.
He's been shot. Looks like trouble got here before us. Hold up.
Qanday missiya bor buda ya? Uyg'ur adam. Qanday Uyg'ur adam missiya bor ya buda ya?
Think I saw a camp up
Yeah?
ahead. Let's go take a look.
All right.
Ne deb atsa? Sonra dedim şimdi de qaysi biri tanısa?
You really have to do that?
You don't need it now.
You see there? Tents and a wagon. Looks deserted.
Okay, well, let's have a look around and make sure.
Ha, detallarni aytadi. Dedim şimdi. Shu yerda ko'rdimda, biz o'g'irxonani shegelib turganda.
Where's everybody?
Maybe they heard us coming. Be careful.
I'm being careful. It's okay. It's okay. Come out of there. You okay? You don't mean you no harm.
He said, are you okay?
Sprechen Sie Deutsch? German?
No. Now go on, get out of here. Go, we need the land, go. Get the hell out of
They
here.
took our father.
Who did?
Men last night.
Where? Where did they take him?
Ain't no business of ours. I don't even speak their language.
You ain't as tough and dense as all that. Come on, Arthur. The girl was pointing this way. Let's see if we can pick up a trail.
Giddy up.
There. Tracks. Come on.
I don't see nothing.
Hoof marks. This way. What's going on with you?
What do you mean?
You were just gonna send that woman and her children on their way?
We're wanted, man. We got Pinkertons breathing down our necks. We should be moving camp, not running off on some wild goose chase.
Come on, Arthur. That's not how you are.
Well, maybe you don't know me as well as you think you do.
Wait a second. Just want to look closer here.
Qanaqilar ko'rib o'tir deyishimiz tengi. I am Steve.
I don't even speak their language.
Maqsad yamasa maqsad.
Okay, looks like they go down this way. Watch out! So, what happened with those Pinkertons anyway? When you were fishing with Jack?
Said they were on to us.
Neydi?
Offered me freedom if I turned Dutch here.
They picked the wrong man there. Easy. Wait, just let me make sure this is right.
Alcıganda söylüyor oturabilir.
Continues along the shore here. What were you saying before?
We should have moved right then, if you ask me. Bastards told me they'd killed Mac. Said it right in front of Jack.
That kid, it's gonna be tough for him.
Yeah. But he has more folk looking out for him than most of the rest of us had growing up.
John said he was going back to the auction yard to collect the money for those sheep.
He'd be a
Damn
damn idiot going anywhere near that town right now.
Osman vardı.
He reckoned he'd be able to slip in and
Ha,
out.
kaza kala
Oh,
uçurdu.
well. If it's John's idea, it must be a good
Aldi
one.
ne yapıyorsun?
What is it with you and him?
He disappeared on us for a while. When Jack was real...
Look out!
Careful.
Hold up. Let me check this.
Karagelikler var.
They carry on along this trail.
So, I was saying, when Jack was real young, a long while, a year ago,
He did?
and we was family, you know? Guess I still ain't fully forgiven him for that.
There's a camp up ahead.
Be careful.
Whoa! Seems deserted. Let's take a look. Yeah! Whoa, whoa!
Where is this guy?
I don't know. But you know something? This is a better camp spot than back there. Much easier to defend.
Maybe. This looks like our feller, Charles.
Quick, cut him free and let's get out of here.
Vorsicht, Vorsicht! Das ist eine Falle! Vorsicht!
Take cover!
I see 3 coming this way!
You get the hell away from me! Why the hell you drag us into this, Charles?
Riders coming in! Well, that's them dealt with. You get them untied, I'll see what they've left behind for us.
Bitte, lassen Sie mich gehen. Helfen Sie mir.
It's okay. Getting you out of here.
Okuyacak demeyeyim mi?
Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe.
Yeah, okay. Here, you wait there a second. Charles. Go find Dutch. Get the caravan to divert here. This spot should work for us.
I agree.
İyi, może by tu?
Okuyacak. Okuyacak degende de aslında şey yapmak istedim. Bakın okuyacak. Ne? Okuyacak mı şey?
Bilmiyorum. Come on.
All right, come on. I'll take you back to your family.
Hat meine Familie sie geschickt? Also soll ich mitkommen?
Neyse bu şey var. Uzaydım ne oldu?
Wo bringen Sie mich hin?
What the hell did you do to those fellers?
Wie bitte?
Those men back there, why did they take you?
Geld? Money. Meiner Familie gehört eine Goldmine. Sie wollen Lösegeld erpressen.
How did someone even come up with them words?
Sie bringen mich zu meiner Familie? Vielen Dank. Wie haben Sie sie gefunden?
Look, I'm sorry, friend. I can barely speak English.
Nasıl korktum?
Vai se afundar?
Indre.
Çekildik.
İyice tıktım ben.
Sen yine gelme bu tak. Çayga merhamet demek. 이게 공수와 미루상 좋습니다. 깜빡 쉬어도
Ay.
va
Короче, этот адам нап кетіпсті. Қақты бір адам ұрды. Ол өзінің үйіне кетіп тұрды ғой. Мен бастадым. Сегіз мен басы жаққа қойдым. Жүріп деген басы жаққа кетіп бара жатыр деген. Осы жаққа астым өтіп кетті.
Sadece kesip
Atlı sürmeyince dursun.
sadece kesip alıp dik olup koyuyorum.
Push it, girl. Yeah. There we go. It's all right, girl. Yep. There they are.
Dem Herrgott sei Dank. Schatz!
Andreas, ich hab gedacht, du seist tot.
GTA.
Beinahe wär's so gewesen. Meine Lieblinge, meine Herz allerliebsten. Oh, wie wunderbar. Oh,
Sie sind ein großer Mann.
ja.
Ein großer Mann.
Ja, wirklich.
Es ist ein Segen, dass
Yes,
ich Sie
we are
getroffen habe.
back.
Come on, now get out of here. This place ain't safe. Get out of here!
Ja, ja, alles
Vamos!
klar.
Vamos!
Ich hab was für Sie. Einen Moment. Dankeschön. Thank you. Vielen Dank, herzlichen Dank.
Guess it was a pleasure.
Ja!
You were right. Oh, this place. Oh, it'll be perfect for us. Hello, Arthur.
Dutch?
Miss Grimshaw, Mr. Pearson, put everyone to work. Make this place a home. Well, I don't know where the hell we are, but we are going to make the best of it.
Wallpaper. Smartphone.
How you doing, old friend?
Fine.
It's funny, us ending up down here. My daddy died in the field in Pennsylvania, fighting this lot. I had to tell you that.
Many times.
I see I'm boring you, Arthur.
Worrying me. We lost men back there.
We
Bir adamga qiyin ayni zarur.
Arthur. We're trying to reform society to a kinder, truer, better way. Now, of course, there's gonna be casualties.
Kesilishligimiz.
We're thieves. In a world that don't want us no more.
We
Болуу
are
ыкмалы болгон затта кеткен.
dreamers in an ever duller world of facts. Now, I'll give you
Iya
that,
aytып,
but come
эми
on.
качанга чейин жүрүп.
We got the day. It's nice out. Old Hosea says that there's a trick around here. I reckon it's full of fish.
You love me really, Grimshaw. Chop, chop, Jones.
Hey, old girl, come on down here. Why don't you show us this crick you've been pissing in? Hey, you don't look too rosy, old friend. I thought this warmer weather would...
My days are looking good and long over, Dutch.
Always dream crushing and bubble bursting. Come on, Hosea. Let's go fishing.
All right, gentlemen, let me show you how it's done.
Whoa!
Why don't we just fish here? There's a whole lake of them.
Because I need to get out for a bit. Me and the old guard. Before any of them back there, oh, there was us.
The curious couple and their unruly son.
It feels good here. You did well finding that spot, Arthur.
More Charles than me.
It's like I can breathe again, thick and soupy as this air is. Might even do your whistling pipes some good, Hosea.
I was once in this country with Bessie. Ah, feels like a lifetime ago.
It was a lifetime ago. But what a life we have lived, how well we have fought, especially both of you.
I hope so.
But now, when things are desperate, we have to stick with the plan. Make enough money, then find somewhere where nobody will find us. But we don't have to hide.
Like
야,
where?
감도 의식 화면 좀
I got
보여줄래
some
봐.
ideas hatching, but I need you with me, not against me.
그냥
Both of you.
보수 빵 그냥.
Still, we do need money. So
Can't
keep a
post
low
them on there,
profile,
Toptan sorup
especially
gittim
in
ama
the
bir şey
local town. After Valentine, I want everyone on best behavior here.
똑같은 거 같고.
No trouble.
이제 맞상 우주로
But start turning over the soil and the rocks. See what turns up.
Ya anında uyuşken, onu uyuşurdum. Toktan sorudum kırpayım ama.
What a slew of rich simpletons there must be down here.
오고단 계획인데 이해 봐 되게 좋고. 클럽에 들어오지 않더라도.
You'll be able to play them like a
그렇게
fiddle.
잡으러 그러면
Nothing would give me greater
아,
pleasure. Let's
No
미식이장.
buts. Not today.
똑같은 것까지 잡더라고요. 시스템하고 보시면 우시다.
Looks like law up ahead. Play it cool.
Easy.
똑같은 산사라 미시다.
Easy now.
앞에 오실 거죠 뭐 이거 예
Hello, gentlemen. Well,
가슴도
look
들
what the cat drug in.
고 쏘주고 아트나 고 쏘자만 내시 많이 쏘고.
Quiet back there.
Let's see if we can't sort this out. Oof. Will you get control of that horse? How are you, boys?
Fine.
This is quite some country you have here.
We like it well enough.
Hoagie McIntosh, at your service.
Lee Gray. This is my deputy Archibald McGregor.
It is good to meet you.
You a Scot?
Partly. The best part.
Of course.
Now, tell me, sir, what did the silly, fancy fop back there do? Nothing too terrible, I trust.
He was accused of running a gold mining investment scam.
Oh, no. I'm sure he wasn't. He is a magician. I know him. He's a fool, but he is not a bad fellow. Now, can we just...
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Shit! The Anderson boys! I can't have more scandal!
Well, allow us to help, my friend. Arthur,
Chase wanted man.
and take Archibald with you.
Just what I signed up for. Come on, big guy.
Perhaps we can discuss the foolish magician.
Let's go after that train. And do not shoot them, you hear me? Come on, hurry.
All right.
Come on, we're losing them.
Will you relax? We're not losing them.
Faster, come on.
나비 오인하마.
What's your name, sir?
나비 오인하마.
Don't shoot them.
So what are these fellas wanted for?
Well, the Anderson boys? Robbery, murder, kidnapping. They're the lowest of the low. Tortured two fellas to within an inch of their lives. We've been after them for 5 years or more now.
Looks like the son of a bitch gonna make it. You sure I can't just shoot him?
No, did I not say that?
You've said plenty.
하면 이제 바라보더라 아
Idiot. Now get after the others, come on. The train is slowing down to go through the station. Now's our chance. See if you can get alongside the train. Come on, you must be able to get next to it.
그렇지 팀 여기 잘한다 예
Keep us close to the train. Don't let these bastards get away. What the heck? Oh, shit. Come on, get to the side of that train.
이 사람 비록
Get alongside that flat
옌
carriage.
아타백 공한다다.
You think you can jump on there?
그때 바로
Me? Why me?
Because you ride like my grandmother.
You cop bastards! I didn't do nothing! Ah! God! Go to hell! Damn fool!
담배 미세 시작해요
Come on, you stop that.
보이스하면서 핏매야
I'll stop the train.
You hold it right there!
와 아까 오랜만에
You're only making it worse.
bastard! Get the hell away from me!
Come on! You stop them, I'll stop the train.
Where you gonna run to? Just you and me now, pal.
I'm gonna ride ahead and
Just you and me now, pal.
I'm gonna ride ahead and stop the train.
It's just us
Saking çıkayım gene.
Come here. We need to bother. Let me go.
Buradan bile olmaz.
Can't do that.
try and leave. Kill him. Sadly so. I don't think I can open the door from the outside, unfortunately. Come on.
Koşuş. Oh. Ona tutar.
Need some gin? Come on. I'm right out here if you need.
Artı. Artı.
Ne?
Still think you're tough?
Hello? Is everything all right?
Red Dead Redemption'da tek PlayStation'da 간 거야?
I don't think he's dead.
PlayStation'da 간 거야? 그거 Red Dead Redemption'da.
Oh, just about.
Şimdi var.
Steam'de var mı?
Var. Görmedim. Şimdi var. Epic'te de var.
Hayır, Red Dead Redemption var mı?
Var. Onda
Bring him
kadar
out here.
얘 그거 지금 어떡한 오마?
Sounded like quite a commotion. Is that him?
I sincerely hope so.
Old Anders Anderson.
So what now?
Take him in, come on. A fine job, well done. And a pat on the back for me for stopping the train. There you go. You are a natural. All right, let's take him in. Follow me.
What about the others?
Oh, we'll round them up. Anders back there is the brains of the operation, and that's really saying something.
You're the boss.
That was mighty impressive, sir. I have to admit. I'd hazard a guess you've served the law yourself at some point.
Well, I wouldn't exactly say that.
Are you familiar with the area here?
No, not really.
On your right here, these tobacco fields? This is part of Kanalg'a Hall, big estate belonging to the Gray family.
Looks bone dry.
Yes, we are in dire need of some rain round here, let me tell you. The Grays have lived in Kanalg'a Hall for generations. Fine people. My family's been working for them for years. Sheriff Gray's the one I know best, of course, but they own half the businesses in town.
Which town?
Rhodes, sir. You don't know it? Where we're headed right now. Ain't what it was before the war, but it has its charms. I'm sure you already know of the Braithwaites.
Like I said, just got down here.
Another big family in these parts. They have an estate west of here. Awful people. Truly awful. They've been fighting with the Grays for as long as I can remember.
Sounds like quite the place you got here.
Bir de ötme mi? Red Dead Redemption 1 dedim.
Here we are. Welcome to Rhodes. Up there on your left is the Rhodes Parlor House. Very reputable saloon owned by the Gray family. We also have a general store, gunsmith, post office, train station, of course.
What more do you need?
Very little. Oh, good, they're back. And that's your friend, right?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna stop just ahead on the right, outside the sheriff's office. Can you grab Anders off your horse and carry him in for me? Just bring him here.
Hey, fellas.
Mr. Gray! We got him.
Very good.
I told you Arthur would deliver. Man has a passion for justice.
That's wonderful.
So, about my friend here?
Your idiot friend is free to go. But no more trouble from you, partner.
I promise you, this was all just a big misunderstanding. However, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
I'll pretend to appreciate that. Mr. McIntosh, it has been a real pleasure. The mostly good citizens of Rhodes, we welcome you.
Well, we're just honored to be here.
And make your friend behave. We got enough trouble from some of the residents, old-timers who've gone, sadly, to seed and lost their dignity.
How terrible. Come along now. I will keep this fellow on the straight and narrow.
Come back and see us sometime soon. Excuse me, gentlemen. Bo, these better be ugly rumors. Is it true you were seen talking to that wretched Penelope Braithwaite?
I can't thank you enough.
Where have you been?
Around.
And where are you staying?
I'm renting a caravan on the edge of town behind the church. It's horrible, but no one comes looking. The whole town is trapped in this interminable feud between the two families. His lot, Gray's, and Braithwaite's.
Interesting.
Two old plantation houses, and falling out of the rebel gold, and marrying cousins or not marrying.
Arthur,
That's
Jose, you start poking around. See what you can find out about that.
I have missed you, boys. I've heard about bounty.
There's been a price on my head for 13 years. It'll take a month to find us down here, and it seems like we can have a little sport.
Well, they're good bounties.
Where you hear this?
Some fellas I met at a camp near the state line said there was talk of it in bars in the north and west for 500 miles. There was talk of super agents of some sort.
Super agents. I'd love to meet one. It's just talk.
I'm sure it is, but I couldn't not tell you.
Stay out of trouble.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Okay, so these two plantation families. Arthur, you start sniffing around the Gray's place, see what the story is there.
Yeah, I passed by it earlier with our friend, Archibald.
Good. Hosea, you see what you can find out about these Braithwaites.
All right. Thank you, Arthur.
Ne söylemeye alacağım?
Quite a fishing trip.
Ne söylemeye al?
There's still time. I'm up for it.
How about you, Arthur? Or have you had enough of the chase for one day?
I'll need to relax someplace.
Fair enough. It looks like it's you and me, old man.
Hello, mister.
Howdy, partner.
Hi there, folks.
How do you do?
Hey. Gentlemen.
Hey, sir.
I've had better days, that's for sure.
That's just too bad.
Look out! Yep.
Move next time.
그 작업되는 거야, 너?
버스터가 되고 왔다.
Başar.
İyi bok bastı. İyi.
Il est déjà trop média. Peut-être.
Otro Necesito otro gol.
Should have moved.
Yep, başa değil. Yok ya.
Oh, hier problem.
Move out of the darn way!
Burada ne? Maybe.
You blind? I near got
Ayağa
flat.
bastım.
Out of the damn way!
그래.
Ich weiß nicht, Videos sind wohl da.
Hey, friend.
Videos sind wohl da. Satan.
GTA 6 봐. After a decade.
What are you playing at?
Christ alive!
Foto.
지금
Out of the way!
Sugar pas, vite.
I mean,
bon son battu con cioccolata.
Maslow itu apa? Ada Maslow itu sampai itu.
Terus terus gitu.
how about that?
Belki. Kanalg'a
Get a move on, will ya?
Что за молодой? О, уmitpan.
Come on,
You get
move already.
이제
İşim var ama.
God damn, you'll be fine! Move! What in the hell? Hardly touched! You goddamn
Sorry about
moron!
that.
왔상이야? 뭐간
Should've moved.
Oh, panas biasa mau nih.
바로 달리려고 했-
Ini gede cat.
바나 끝까지
Udah, paling gede.
Move next time.
뭐네?
Hey, move it!
베로
Dia tadi gitu.
뭐야
Хорошо.
되게 What's with the villain?
Ya, super. Oke.
Oh my God!
Jangan mau kata lagi macam jika ternilai zaman betul betul. Kau tinggal mana?
So help me get something to eat.
Please. Aku suka kalau berseng.
Hey, mister. Will you give me some money?
Eh?
Nezat. Nima jo'ya kirgan?
Kirgan, hozir kirgan. Nega yumruq olib?
Just a saddle, dude.
Janice told me.
So it goes.
I know you can hear me.
Atam tatacakman.
I'm running out, Rhodes. Get him right
Nima
here.
bosib ketding bu?
Anything will do.
Hey, wait! Hey, you trying to act a ruffian putting that on?
Sure.
Well, thank you. Say, where you from?
Around.
Ain't from right here. That was you, I'd leave. This town lost its goddamn soul a long time ago. Nothing but nasty, miserable people.
Yeah?
Ever since them Grays moved here, a bunch of no-good white trash. And they somehow got rich. About 50 years ago, they moved here, caused a whole heap of trouble. Yeah, I reckon they was Yankee spies during the war and everything.
That's so.
Yeah, sure.
Those old Driscoll boys been seen rustling again up at Painted Sky Ranch.
This place is cursed sometimes.
Easy, it's okay.
I'm looking for my friend. Gavin. Gavin.
Where the hell are you?
Gavin. Has anyone you get off our...
That goes for you, sons of bitches!
Out of the way! Goddamn breakaways sneaking about here! Move it, goddamn! No! No, no!
What do you want, boy? This is private property. Interlopers are not permitted.
Hey, look, I've been helping the sheriff with some trouble. Wanted me
Yo,
to have a
N-word.
word with a few of the folks on the property here.
Damn it, leave.
N-word.
All right. Have a word. But I
Hey,
ain't got the
Dimbala.
time to help you.
Haydim.
Lodged.
Ne haskele ne? Yo. Şaş kulüm.
Hey, I was hoping you'd talk a moment. I'm a student of the history of the region, and,
I ain't the one to speak to. Try Master Bo. Think he's down there by the wood store. Boy's got all the time in the world.
Huh. I'll see you at the sheriff's office.
Excuse me, friend.
We friends?
Not yet, but he is hoping.
I guess.
We don't get a lot of traveling men here, and suddenly there's a whole phalanx of mysterious but strangely helpful Yankees about the place.
Is there?
What are you doing here?
I was just looking for work.
Well, looking for something. Don't worry, your secret's safe with me.
What secret?
I got a secret of my own.
Are you secretly normal?
Excuse me?
Never mind.
The thing is, I don't care if you kill the whole lot of us, and the Braithwaites.
I don't want to kill anyone.
I love her, you know.
Love who?
Penelope. But it's impossible.
Well, love tends to be complicated.
She's a Braithwaite. I'm Bo Gray, son of Tavish Gray, nephew of Lee Gray, the sheriff, grandson of old Murdo Gray. We Grays have been loyal to the state and murderous to the Braithwaites for so long now, no one can even quite explain why. Beyond blind loyalty and stupidity, I'm supposed to be loyal to some nonsense while she's amazing. She's like a woman from the future. She's like tomorrow, if tomorrow turns out fine.
Well, I'm sorry for your predicament.
Would you help?
I don't want to get involved in gang feuds. It seems unseemly.
I'll pay. I've got money. We Grays, we've always got money. No brains, mind, but money.
Well, in that case...
I know she loves to sit out in the gazebo on the edge of the Braithwaite property. Take her this letter and this bracelet, please. Oh, look out for their guards. They're worse with strangers than ours are. So long, and good luck.
Hey, you better follow that order right. Come on.
Yeah. Here. Yeah.
Someone's sneaking on the property! You think that fence is up for fun? Get off this property now!
Hey, I'm just a tourist.
Now keep at it, and don't come back unless you want to get shot.
Are you Penelope Braithwaite?
Well, yes, I am.
I've got a letter for you.
Oh.
And a gift.
A letter and a gift. Well, we don't even know each other.
Well, it's not from me. It's from,
From Bo. Oh, he is so...
Strange?
Yes, he's a little strange, but also so human. The rest of our families are stuck in the Dark Ages, or, well, I don't know, cave people, perhaps. Bo's different, but if they find out, they'll kill him and send me to live someplace awful like Ohio. Have you ever been to Ohio, sir?
No.
Well, neither have I, but my uncle has a factory there. He was sort of the black sheep on account of having left, but now they tolerate him because he's a vicious snob. Families are there's something else. You got a family, sir?
No, not really.
Well, they tolerate him because of the money. But me, with my ideas above my station, they can't stand.
That sounds pretty complicated. I don't know quite what to say.
Well, nothing to say, except I hope they all rot. I don't, well, maybe a bit. But here, if you see Bo again, will you give this to him?
Sure.
Out of the way!
What the heck you doing? What a nuisance.
All right, then. I'm aiming to kill you, you bastard! I'm sending you... You're out. I've had it! Whoa, the hell? Please let me free! Oh, shit!
Come on now.
Oh, God, please!
Comfortable enough for you?
Someone! Anyone! Help!
Oh, brother. Yeah. Jesus, lady, you're in a bad spot, huh?
My horse collapsed. Now my leg's stuck. What does it look like? Go on. Go on, you got it. Oh, thank you. I don't know what I would have done if you hadn't come by.
No problem.
I might have been stuck there forever. Oh, Moses. Poor baby. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey there, mister.
How about you get out of
down? Hope we find someone who wants to be a hero today. Hey, mister.
Of course, of course. Oh, and here is my dear friend, Arthur Callahan. Boy is a hunter. Boy is... A killer. Arthur, you've met but not been introduced to Mr. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sheriff Gray.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
Tough business you boys had.
We did?
Oh, there's no need to pretend with me, sir. Life can be tough.
So it can.
And no man owes another anything.
No, sir.
But still, I feel you were hard done by. Losing your employment like that. But still, here in Rhodes, we have work enough for honest men.
Ah, that's some strong stuff. Still, don't seem to be doing you any harm, I guess.
Exactly.
Whoa.
Excuse me a moment.
I told you we was moving up in this world. Deputies. You have finally lost your mind. Amongst these drunkards, hillbillies, and slavers? Good honest thieves like us. We're bound to be moralizers in a place like this. Oh, Sheriff Gray, you are back.
Now listen, sir. There is shine in them woods, though, and it is costing this county its good name and the state a whole lot of income. You boys wouldn't mind rooting it out. Maybe we'll make you permanent. I gotta set me down a second.
Not a problem, sir. Not a problem at all. You are in safe hands now. And people waste time with the temperance movement. Liquor never dulled a good man's senses. Arthur, you ride with the deputy. Bill and I will follow.
Climb on up. Let's go.
Archibald?
How are you?
Pretty good.
And your friend is behaving himself?
Oh, yes. I think he's learned his lesson.
Congratulations on becoming a temporarily deputized citizen of Scarlet Meadows County. Most towns just get bounty hunters to do their dirty work these days, but Sheriff Gray believes the law should keep the law. Now, I'm sure I don't need to remind you, there's a chain of command here.
There is?
Dang straight there is. This is a dangerous business, but follow my lead and you'll be just fine.
Sure. Hey! Archibald wants to remind us he's in charge here.
Of course!
Who else would be?
You were a big help with them Anderson boys, and I put in a very good word with the sheriff on your behalf.
We appreciate that.
We rounded up the others soon after. I'm pushing for the rope myself, but that's by the by.
So, these moonshiners.
Not just any moonshiners, Braithwaites. I told you about the Braithwaites.
Pretty sure you did.
Old Cotton family had a fortune at one point until, well, a few changes in the labor laws. Now they're dealing in moonshine. We found their stills hidden all over Lemoyne. Quick as we destroy one, another one pops up. You could call it a pitiful fall from grace, if they had any grace to start with.
I have no time for tax dodgers.
Not to mention the fact that Catherine Braithwaite has a rather expensive interest in thoroughbred horses to maintain.
But I heard something about it being gold these families were fighting over.
Well, that's the rumor. But the Grays and the Braithwaites think the others stole a fortune from them. But it happened so long ago, I don't know for sure if it's true.
Must be tough being rich, huh?
So I imagine.
That badge rather suits you, Mr. W.
Yes. I thought so, too.
Does it feel good to be back at it? Serving your country?
I wouldn't go that far.
Whoa! Whoa! Hold up. You see that wagon? Dear me, that don't look good. Oh. Come on, mister. Keep your eyes open. This must have happened recently.
You could try walking once in a while.
Hey, come have a look at this. Look, suit and tie, one bullet clean through the forehead. Well, my money says this is the handiwork of a gang called the Lemoyne Raiders.
Yeah, I've run into them.
Let's see if we've got any identification. Okay. We should get going. I'll send someone over here later to clean this up.
Ain't forgotten you. Yeah.
Let's go. There's nothing more we can do here. Would you mind taking the reins? I want to have a look at these papers.
Sure.
I'll direct you. Okay. Frederick Mitchell, Lemoyne State Legislator. Poor feller. Hey, not so fast!
Go right at the crossroads. Yep. Not the nicest fellas in my experience.
Oh, and I know the Braithwaites are in business with them. No shame. Hey, slow it down a bit. Bear right again here. Trash begets trash, my Uncle Reginald used to say. He had a few stories, let me tell you. Town preacher and town sheriff. Would drink a sailor under the table before breakfast. He had one tiny hand, like a child's, on the... Easy! We ain't in that much of a hurry. But anyway, this tells you what kind of people the Braithwaites are. Selling moonshine to murderers. Here we are. So what was I saying?
Something about the Braithwaites, I think.
Even saying that word makes me sick. Now, anyone we find here, we bring in alive, understood? Round them up, and take this operation down for good. Come on. Let's see what we're dealing with. See? See? What did I tell you, boys? What did I say? I said this place was crawling with vermin, and we just found ourselves the rat's nest par excellence, as they say in Paris. My aunt, she went to Paris back in '78.
How will you handle this?
Well, the way I see
Actually, let my friend here decide. He doesn't have your fine way with words, but he is definitely the man for the job.
Let's split up. Arthur and Bill, me and Archibald. You boys want right or left? We'll take this way.
Let's stop these filthy, degenerate tax dodgers. Let's shake them. A fine idea.
Remember what he said. We need them alive. Let's just knock them out and tie them up.
Got it, Deputy Williamson.
See one by the bridge over there?
We'll take the left.
Let's stop these filthy, degenerate tax dodgers. The cheek of them. A fine idea. Hush.
Remember what he said. We need them alive.
Good work, gentlemen.
I think that's it.
Well, what do we do now?
We better destroy all this. Any of your boys can handle explosives?
Sure. Anyone but him.
So,
Think you're real funny, don't you?
tell me about
That
you.
is the last time I mentioned it, I swear.
Shit! We got men over here! That almost got me! Give me a hand with these bastards!
No.
Let's find Dutch and get out of here.
Fine by me.
Quick, let's go before any more show up. All right, I'll see you later.
Well done. Well, forgive me, but me and my men must return to our lives. Ah, seems like we failed to destroy the last of the moonshine.
Sure.
Would you like us to?
Well, I normally take it. For personal consumption, it's sort of part of the job. But I better get back home. Why don't I just take a jug or two and leave you boys the rest to show that there's no hard feelings on account of the war?
We are all Americans.
Of course. My cousin, Webster, he used to say some of us is not as American as others, if you know what I mean. Only I didn't quite. Come Come on, you degenerate, no-good, white trash, hillbilly piece of scum. I know you, Billy Lime.
Finally.
You've always been a piece
Finally.
of crap. Come on, move.
We have a life on a land so stupid, a backwater so backwards that even we are like geniuses. Bill, get this stuff out of here! Come on, you ride with me.
Okay.
Should I stash this somewhere near camp, boss?
Yes, show it to Hosea. I'm sure he can find a use for it. Bit of trouble back there, Arthur?
Ain't there always? From what they was yelling, I think they were the buyers.
Old Archibald didn't ask too many questions, so neither should we.
I ain't planning to.
That was worth the effort, though. Deputized, hiding in plain sight. Get with me, Arthur. I think you're going the wrong way. So, I was saying, these lawmen, these two families, I mean, I really think we can play this from all sides. It's got Hosea written all over it.
This is starting to sound like the Young Dutch again.
What do you mean, young Dutch? I'm as strong as I have ever been. Hey, you know what? Why don't I race you back?
Okay, you're on.
That's the spirit. Okay, on my word. Set, go! Yeah. Go! You never were much of a rider.
We'll see about that.
Easy, girl.
It's sad to think back to you in your prime.
Unless you catch a second wind, this won't be much of a race.
I'm just picking my moment, Dutch. Yeah. It's sad to think back to you in your prime.
Oh, I am sorry, son.
Well, spare the gloating, Dutch.
Oh, I'm not a gloater. Why would I laugh at the fact that you haven't learned, after all these years, to ride a horse very well? That is a source of great sorrow to me.
Very funny.
I had fun with you today. Be well. Here? Well, I was gonna say you're like a son to me. But you're more than that.
You know, I think I've heard enough of your opinions, miss.
Is that so?
Yeah, now make yourself useful.